Hey everyone, this is Trainboy55. So, it's been a while. I got 8 custom-made TrackMaster Thomas trains. First up is Wilbert, the Forest engine. I print the face. I detailed the boiler, his nameplate. His body looks so cool. And I glue it back together. See? And he runs well. Next up is Big City Engine. You're probably wondering why I replaced his face, because the original face was so big. This is the sides, made out of clay. New improve his face, and new improve the sides of the smoke box. And I detailed the tender. Next up is me as the Thomas and Friends character, with my own greatest moments. Scared face. And we're like, ah! I'm scared! Ah! Okay, I'm never gonna do that again. So anyway, I repainted the footplate. I made the tender, 55. Very good. Next up is TrackMaster Gator. I detailed the buffers, the coupling, the top, the windows, the back, windows, and I detailed his lamp out of silver Sharpie marker. Next is a surprise for you, Alically Attack 4427, is that I repainted you as the Thomas and Friends character. Your own name and your own number. I detailed your colors. I drew your face. I detailed your lamp, your footplate, your buffers, and you're in the back, your detailed windows, and your colored back. Yellow ones with green stripes, which is I was replacing the black linings that I changed my ways, or changed my mind. And he runs well. And here's your new coupling that I put it in, because the old one is lost, so I replaced it with the new one very carefully. Next is TrackMaster 16 from Cab Over Wheels. I detailed the face, his buffers, his name, number. And here in the back, detailed his cab, and he runs well. Next up is my first custom made of The Adventure Begins is Original introducing James, with black livery with red stripes on it from the BCB James. I detailed the tender, his boiler, new eyebrow. Here's the other side. Pretty cool. Oh, and here's the stripes in the back. Right here. So, if you like the original James TrackMaster and Ben Alically Attack 4427 as a Thomas and Friends character, me scared, my first greatest moments, TrackMaster Wilbert and 16 I made, give a comment and give it a like. And next up is the greatest exciting of all. The greatest moments from Season 18th. You know what this means. It's TrackMaster Emily saves the world from one of the greatest moments. Here's my TrackMaster Emily. And here's, I made a globe. Very cool. Here's our country. South America, Mexico, Russia, China, Japan. And my favorite country, England, Scotland, and here's Greenland, and here's Russia, and here's Africa, Japan, and here's Australia. Very cool. This is from one of the greatest moments from Emily Saves the World from season 18th. That's from one of the greatest moments. Pretty good of the globe. You're probably wondering why I made this globe. Well, here's how it went. I got a smooth foam balls from Hobbytown, USA. I must have said it wrong. I mean, it's from Hobby Lobby. This is the smooth foam that you wanted to get it. It's pretty cool. Interesting things. Oh, and here's my clay faces of Thomas. He's worried or sad, closed-eyed, little surprise face, puzzled face, surprise or scared face, angry face, and new expression, angry face. I mean, closed-eyed face. And here's miserable Thomas face. Out of this clay, which you can see. Here's my desk full of paint over there. You can see it. The one I showed you of Bachman Timothy, the Ghost Engine. And that's just about it. Thanks for watching.